Do you want to burn fat without punishing your joints? Well, in the next 15 minutes, we're going to get our heart pumping, burn some fat, and just have some fun. All right, join me. Let's get ready to go. We have 8 songs, very easy to follow, and they're short songs. Most of them are a little over 1 minute. You ready? Okay, let's go. Let's start by marching. Ready? Engage the core, tighten it, make it tight, relax the shoulders, and march. Just warming up. And arm up, pull back, again. One more time, and the other one. And march. That's right, reaching our goals, whatever your goal is. I am on this 66-day journey. Almost halfway done. All right, next song is just going to be step touch. 1 minute, 49 seconds. Let's go. Step touch. We are pressing down on the mat. Flat feet. Little pop, doo-wop, disco music today. And sway, side to side. Good. Keep it going. Almost done. And twist a little bit this time. Move the heels left and right and push down on the mat. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Get ready for the next song. It's called Feel Alive. It's 1 minute, 44 seconds. We're going to do jacks variation. So out and in first. Let's just warm up. Like this. Other side. Very low impact. Now we're going to step it up. Out and in. If you don't need the bar, you can let go of the bar and do a half jack. That's right, wear your confidence like a crown. Come on. Now, hold back on and do cross jacks. Squeeze the inner thigh. Works the pelvic floor muscles here. Tighten. If you can finish strong, we're going to go to regular jacks. If not, just step out and in. I'm going to do jacks without the bar. Out and in. Popping my legs up. Yeah, okay, song 4. Keep on moving. All right, step up and back. Ready? Up and back. Push down. Add a little bounce, but keep your feet flat. Lead with the left or the right. Doesn't matter. And switch. Yes. Get the heart rate up just a little bit. And switch again. And switch. Now, kick it up a notch like this. Double bounce, front and back. With the bar, without the bar, like this. Good. Song number 6. Dance, praise, break. Bounce, hallelujah. Freestyle. Joyful jump. Praise break. This was jump forward and back. And side to side. Leave the bloopers in, right? And pick it up. That's right, you got this. Come on. All right. Get a drink if you need it. Now it's bounce, hallelujah. Freestyle. Come on, freestyle. Push down. Push down. Work those legs. Come on. Got it? Come on, try it with me. These are my new ones. Ready? Freestyle. Praise break. Hallelujah. All right, next one. Bounce with Jesus. Scissors. You ready? Double scissors and switch. Bounce and bounce. Yes. He gives us a new mercies every morning. Singles, pop the legs out. Come on. Back to doubles. All right, kick. And 1, 2, 3, kick. Kick. Hard. Enemy, get out of here. 1, 2, 3, and kick. 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 All right. Joyful jump. Basic bounce. Finish with the basic bounce. You can use the bar with or without the bar. Really? My neighbor wants to be in my video? Really? Jeez. Louise, gonna get him saved. I'm gonna get him saved. All right, y'all, we gotta slow it down. Come on. Heels, barely lifting off the mat. Push both first. Just doing this 10 minutes a day will clean out that lymphatic system. Get rid of toxins. Yes, bacteria, disease. I'm not a doctor, y'all, but it has really helped me. All right, now left and right heels. Push down. Soften those knees though. Keep them slightly bent. You got this. Can't wait till my plumeria starts blooming. Usually blooms around my anniversary at the end of July. Hopefully. All right, now step out wide, side to side. Yes. How many of you need strength from the Lord? Do you need strength from the Lord? Come on. Now push out. Breathe in and out. Now switch to the other side. Yeah. Just walk now, very lightly. I am on the B can. This is the one I'm promoting right now. I will put the link in the description. Hey, how many of y'all sing on Fluffy Divas Sing-a-thon on Fridays? Did you know rebounding will help you? That's what I'm trying to work on. Breath work is good for singing. Yeah, bring it down. Breathe and breathe out. And again. And we are done. We are done for the day. And I will see you next time on Rebounding with Cheryl. Thanks for joining me. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and comment below anything you would like to learn. If I can help you in any way, I'll be glad to help you. God bless you.